The 1CD FTV is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC 16-valve diesel engine with common rail injection system and turbocharger. The engine has adopted numerous cutting-edge technologies. Among them, this video describes the new diesel injection system, which has achieved high performance, clean emissions, low noise, and low vibration. The common rail injection system accumulates the necessary pressure required for injection of fuel inside the rail. Just like the EFI system of the gasoline engine, this system injects fuel into the cylinders by opening and closing the injectors in accordance with the electrical signals output by the ECU. Therefore, this system can finely regulate the injection volume and timing, thus contributing to highly efficient operation and clean emissions. Furthermore, because this system accumulates constant fuel pressure in the rail, it does not create sudden pressure rises and offers the advantage of quieter operation. Now, let's look at the system. Let's start with the sensors. Here's the accelerator pedal position sensor that detects the opening angle of the accelerator pedal. The airflow meter. The intake air temperature sensor. The turbo pressure sensor. The water temperature sensor. The crankshaft position sensor that detects the rotational angle of the crankshaft. The camshaft position sensor that identifies which cylinder is at TDC. And the fuel pressure sensor at the common rail, which detects the pressure inside the rail. Here are some of the actuators used in this system. The suction control valves, or SCVs, which are located on the supply pump assembly, control the amount of fuel that is fed to the supply pump. The electronic driver unit, or EDU, which boosts the injection signal from the ECU. And the injectors that inject fuel in accordance with the injection signal. The fuel is drawn up from the fuel tank by the feed pump located in the supply pump assembly. Then it passes through the fuel filter and is fed to the supply pump. The fuel becomes pressurized in the supply pump to reach the injection pressure. The pressurized fuel is fed into the common rail where it is accumulated. The fuel that accumulates in the common rail is distributed via the injection pipes to the injectors of the cylinders. Then the injection signal from the ECU opens the injectors to inject fuel.